Lil Coffin is one of the most influential custom cars ever built. Based on a 1932 Ford Tudor Sedan, it became an icon of American show car culture and one of the most recognizable custom vehicles of the 1960s. The story began in 1954 when high school student Dave Stuckey of Wichita, Kansas, bought the Ford for about $50 from a used car lot. On the first night he owned it, he removed the engine, transmission, fenders, hood, and grille, then channeled the body 9 inches while working at General Welding. He also installed hydraulic brakes, a flathead Ford V8, split wishbones, and a new front crossmember. Soon afterward, Stuckey joined Darryl Starbird's Star Custom Shop, where he refined his metalworking skills. The first version of the car was completed in 1956. The car evolved continuously. In 1958, Stuckey fabricated unique rear fenders from steel tubing and sheet metal, installed a 1940 Ford dashboard, 1930 Model A front fenders, handmade running boards, Harley-Davidson headlights, hidden exhaust outlets, hydraulic door solenoids, and a luxurious red and white interior. The car was powered by several engines over the years, including a highly modified 1954 DeSoto Hemi V8 with 4 Stromberg carburetors. By 1960, it appeared on the cover of CarCraft magazine, earning national attention. In 1960, after opening his own shop, Stuckey completely redesigned the car. The body was sectioned 4 inches, the roof became dramatically cantilevered, the doors were converted to suicide style, and the engine was moved rearward with a 6-carburetor intake. A low horizontal grille replaced the earlier design, creating the appearance that later inspired millions of model builders. Around this time, the car received the name Lil Coffin, inspired by a spectator who thought its interior resembled a small coffin. Financial difficulties forced Stuckey to sell Lil Coffin to Larry Farber, who displayed it at major shows, including the 1962 National Roadster Show. Monogram purchased the car to produce one of the company's most famous scale models, helping make Lil Coffin a household name among young enthusiasts. Darryl Starbird acquired the car in 1967 and repeatedly transformed it into the Monkey Ward Delivery, the Fabulous Phaeton, and later a 1990s-style street rod. A fire in 1981 nearly destroyed it, but the remains survived. In 2009, Starbird completed a faithful restoration, returning Lil Coffin to its celebrated 1962 appearance. Debate over its authorship continued after Starbird claimed to have built the car, but historical evidence credits Dave Stuckey as its original creator, while acknowledging Starbird's contribution during its early development. Today, Lil Coffin remains one of the most famous custom cars ever built and a lasting symbol of American hot rodding history.